Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're taking a look at the Carnivore Dominion Drop Steps for the Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator. If you're looking for a heavy-duty yet functional side step for your vehicle to make it a bit easier for yourself and your passengers to climb in and out of your vehicle, especially if it's lifted or maybe riding on an oversized tire, these steps are the perfect solution for you. The Carnivore Dominion Drop Steps are available for the 2- and 4-door Jeep Wrangler JK, 2- and 4-door Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as the 4-door Jeep Gladiator. No matter which vehicle you have, all of the Dominion Drop Steps feature a heavy-duty all-steel construction that's finished in a slightly textured black powder coat to keep them protected from corrosion, and they install easily on your vehicle with no drilling or modification required, utilizing existing holes found in that factory pinch weld and on the bottom side of the body that were designed for those factory plastic side steps. Now, the Dominion Drop Steps will feature this extra wide multi-level platform to help you climb in and out of your vehicle with this raised anti-slip tread surface to give you a great sure footing whether you're in dry, wet, or muddy conditions for both your front seat as well as your rear seat passengers. They do feature a great low profile design that hugs the body of the vehicle for great looks. It also means you can confidently head off the pavement for light off-road use while still maintaining great ground clearance below your Dominion Drop Steps. Now, if you are worried about potentially getting hung up on one of those drop steps, one of the best features of these side steps happens to be that you can actually remove the 2 drop steps before you head off the pavement with a few simple hand tools. After the steps are installed on the vehicle, you can access the hardware from the backside. Takes the removal of just a couple nuts and bolts. We can remove those drop down steps, stash them away securely, head off the pavement for a day of fun, and then when you're back home in your driveway later on, you can simply reattach them right back into place. Now, if you want to get more information or to purchase a set of Carnivore Dominion Drop Steps for your Jeep Wrangler JK, Jeep Wrangler JL, or Jeep Gladiator JT, you can click that info button to head to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the steps or how to get them installed, you can always do this for me down in the comment section below or by simply heading to the website. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.